I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.
I forgot to get into the price targets for this stock as of right now, okay? So, with the stock currently sitting at around $9, right? They have a high price target. What it do, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be breaking down Aurora Cannabis, okay? I have been eyeing this one for a minute, but, you know, I'll get further into why as we get into the video, but I'll be breaking down how this company has been performing over the past few years, right? Because it seems like, okay, now we have, you know, certain companies that are popping within the marijuana or cannabis stock space, right? But ticker symbol ACB or Aurora Cannabis is kind of slept on, and no one is really talking about it. And no one is talking about the highs that it has had over the past few years, okay? So we're going to dig into that, and we're going to look at some price targets and some news about the stock. The article that I pulled up is from 2019, but that's going to tie into my thought process and why I decided to look into the stock. Okay, so don't sleep on this. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and just know that, let me provide this disclaimer real quick, that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just providing commentary on the stock. You know, I wanted to bring it up. I don't currently own the stock either. And if you want to see the stocks that I own, make sure to check out my portfolio update. Okay, check that out. I have several videos on my channel talking about that. So without further ado, let's hop into Aurora Cannabis, ticker symbol ACB. Okay, so they're currently sitting at $9.30. It is up $3%, sorry. It's up 3% for the day, right? So they had a pretty good day, and the market was overall choppy, okay? My account was up, down, you know, so it's, you know, I'm about break even for the day. So that is good that Aurora Cannabis is up, right? Let's check out how they've been doing for the past month. The month, they're down 14%. Like a lot of these other stocks, right? For the past 3 months, they are up about 3%, okay? So, but I wanted to hop into the 5-year chart, okay? Pretty lengthy chart, but these highs are crazy. Okay, let's check out, okay, since January 19, 2018, $129, okay? The stock was at $129.24. That was 2018. Another 2018 in October, $126. Then we get to, let's see, March 2019, $108, right? So they were in the $100 range, but they were very choppy because, okay, they would hit in the hundreds, right? And then they would get down to about 55. They would, you know, very volatile stock, right? So it seems like news or something like that was impacting this stock very heavily, right? Very heavily. And now the stock is only at $9.30. Crazy. Let's check out the 52-week highs and lows, right? Okay. So 52-week high is at $19.68. Okay. The 52-week low is at $3.71. Okay. So the stock is very volatile, and it seems like, you know, there's just a lot going on with it. Okay. We basically know what they do. They're in distribution and sale of cannabis products. Okay, simple. But I pulled up an article, you know, kind of explaining what was happening in that 2019 period. Okay, that is basically when the stock just tanked and they never came back, right? So this was from November 15th, 2019. Okay. It says why Aurora Cannabis stock is tanking again today. So they had a couple days of like double-digit downfalls, right? Let's hop into what happened. It says what happened. Shares were tanking 8.8% lower on this Friday after falling as much as 17.3% in the earlier morning, right? It says that marks the second consecutive day of double-digit declines for the Canadian marijuana stock, okay? Keep that in mind. Thursday's drop came as investors anticipated bad news with the company's fiscal 2020 first quarter results, okay? Those results announced after the market closed yesterday were even worse than feared, prompting the continued sell-off the next day, right? So it looks like their financials were looking bad, but let's hop into it more and see exactly what was going on. So right? The stock has seen the highs and the lows, right? Just crazy to see. But let's hop back into the article. It says Aurora posted quarter one total net revenue of 75.2 million in Canadian dollars. Okay, that was a 24% decline from 2019 quarter four. Okay, guys. So, this stock has just been getting hit bad, and the bad news really hit these, hit the stock right here. It says the company saw net revenue in the Canadian adult use recreational cannabis market plunged 33% from the previous quarter. Okay, investors don't like to hear that. They want to see that this company is making money and profiting. After predicting earlier this year that positive adjusted earnings, before interest rate, tax, all that was on the way this year, it says Aurora took a big step backward. Okay, they went backward because they're not profitable, right? This is the company reported a loss of 39.7 million, reflecting a loss of 26.6 million the quarter before. Okay, so it looks like they just had, they were just going through bad times, and this stock has never bounced back up. Okay, financials are true that it's a important thing to, for a company. Okay, a company needs to be profitable because, how are they going to stay in business if they are not profitable, right, guys? So that's why I brought this stock up. It's been through a lot over the past couple years, so I wanted to bring it up. And it looks like, okay, they had a nice day today, a nice run today, but overall, due to the volatility of the stock, it looks like if you bought this stock on the low, it would have a swing upward when it has some good news. Okay, we know that the cannabis sector in general, they're powered by news. Okay, if a state loosens up on regulations, the stock price goes up. If something bad happens, the stock prices go down, right? Simple. But I just want to bring this up to you guys to see if you guys saw what I saw, okay? If you guys have any comments or anything, make sure to drop it down below. Let me know what you guys think. But that is it for this video. I just wanted to bring up some news and see what it's all about. But actually, I forgot one thing, okay? I forgot to get into the price targets for this stock as of right now, okay? So, with the stock currently sitting at around $9, right? They have a high price target of $14.70. Okay, $14.70. They have an average price price target of $9.69. So a little bit over what it's at right now, and they have a low of $6.20. So there are still analysts out there that think that this stock has some room to bump up. That is about a $5 change, right? From $9 to $14. So, that was the last thing that I wanted to cover. But with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Like I said, let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. So let's get it and let's go.
I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.